How do you turn a book character like the fiery fox into a hoodie? It starts by looking at lots of pictures. The design is created in Photoshop using different shapes called vectors. The image is then separated into two colours, white and orange. Then it's off to the Sunprints factory. The hoodies are printed on a huge carousel with lots of arms like an octopus. Special stencils called silk screens are made for each colour. The screens are carefully lined up in the machine so the colours print straight. The colours are selected from a chart. Then the hoodies are loaded onto boards, ready to print. White ink is squeegeed through the silk screen and onto the clothing. Between each colour, the ink is heated to help it dry. Orange is the last colour to print. The completed hoodies are taken off the carousel and sent through a special oven to cure the ink, so it won't wash off. And there you have it, from a book character to a scorching hot hoodie design.